A lot of people think you should wait till everything is perfect to start investing. You think that you should wait until you got a savings build, your debt is gone, and everything is just so perfect and everything figured out. And that's why most people don't never start. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how I myself invest while I'm fixing my money. And you probably should do the same thing too. So I hope you pick up some tips from this video. And matter of fact, if you stay to the end of this video, I guarantee you will pick up some tips from this video, and you will probably start your investing journey. You will probably see that you don't have to wait until everything is perfect. So stay to the end of the video, and I got you. I'm gonna basically be showing you how I'm investing right now and how the small wins add up to the big wins. You don't have to start big to, you feel me, get like to start investing. You don't have to start big, and you don't have to wait till everything is perfect. You don't have to wait till you debt free, because you never know how long that's gonna take. And it's like you missing out on returns that can help you pay your debt off. You feel me? If you like, you never know, it could do that. And it's like a safety net type of risk. It's not no risky one. You can do risky, but I'm teaching you safety over here. So with that being said, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Keon, and we back with another video. If you're new here to the channel, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you for your support. Make sure y'all hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. We're on the road to 10K subscribers, and let's go ahead and jump straight into the video. So most people think investing is something that you do later on, like when you got your finances together, your life together, things like that. They think you got to start big with $2 million, 200,000, 2,000, and stuff like that. When that's not the case, you're gonna tell yourself. Most people tell themselves they're gonna start when they pay something off, when they have more money, and when things get better. And you don't have to do that. You don't have to wait till you feel responsible. It's okay to start small. Start with $10 a week, $10 a day, or something like that. Then 20. Like, you gotta progressively do it, because you waiting on it is basically, it's making you stuck. And what I had to realize was, I don't need to be perfect to start. It's okay to start small. Like I said, $10, $20, $30. You know, once a day. A week. A week consistently. Yeah. If you do that consistently a week, I promise you, it's gonna add up. You got to think about it. If you can spend, Google. If you can spend, if you can eat out to eat every single day, you can invest, instead of eating out every single day. Invest that meal into like an ETF or something like that. Do your research on the ETF, or you could do like VU or QQQ or something like that I was telling y'all about. It's some more stocks out there. I will get into if y'all want them. If y'all want them, comment down below and let me know. There's some other ones that's dealing with like AI and stuff like that. So if y'all want to know them, let me know. That's for a whole nother video though. But yeah, like, you don't have to wait. It's not about the amount. It's about the discipline and the consistency of you doing it, and it's adding up. You feel me? So with that being said, what I do, let me show y'all how I'm investing. I got like small amounts going into, let me show y'all real quick. So far this month, I'm up 8%. Just to let you know, I'm not capping about being consistently dropping a certain amount in there. I think I drop 20 in there every week. But I told y'all I'm going to go up on it, right? Because I can do that now. But that's what I'm doing. And that's going into the VOO. And it's up. And I promise you, when it's green, it's like green a lot. It don't move your money. Like, it move your money, but it move it a good bit. I ain't gonna lie. When I'm saying it move your money up, don't think I'm saying this moving up your shit $500 and shit like that. No, you gotta put enough money in there for that to happen and stuff like that. But it's like, that's what I'm doing. I feel like you should put your money into that too. You know, not to that exact stock, but look into some ETFs and stuff like that, and figure out where you want to put your money at. Do your research, ask around, look at like the earnings and stuff like that, and see what's going on. Look at the companies that's in it, everything before you start putting your money. You don't want to put your stuff in there blindly, and don't be chasing the money, because I promise you it's gonna bite you in your ass. You try to get all these dumb shits, and then all them shit's gonna be like, it's gonna be what you call it. They might fail. You never know. So, and the thing is with what I'm doing, I'm not overthinking it. It's simple. It's a whole bunch of companies in there that's performing good, and when they perform bad, I mean the portfolio goes down, but it's like it goes back up when it's going good. So, like I said, how I'm investing, I'm putting my money into safe ETFs. We got some growth stocks that you could put some into. But I feel like if you just try to build consistently right now, do ETFs for right now. You know, do like 1 or 2 ETFs. Let that compound, you feel me, keep building and building. Then when you get your money right, you know, or when you got a little more money, you feel me, when you can spread it out some more, then that's when you go into like the growth stocks and all this other stuff. And cause that's what I did. Cause I ain't gonna lie, let me tell you what I did. One time I took a chunk. I think I might have took like $1,000, and I split them up between a whole bunch of stocks. And then one of the stocks I had, that's kind of what I did with VOO. So this was part of the ones where I had $1,000, and I had put the most money into VOO. And I had what I did. I had made that one reoccurring because that's performing good. So that's why it's still on $20. And then the other ones was like real estate companies and stuff like that. So I was just doing it like that. But listen, while you investing, please do not forget about your situation. Don't forget about those bills that you gotta pay. First thing, don't forget about those bills that you gotta pay. Don't forget about the debt, your situation, how you living and stuff. Like don't forget about that stuff. Still focus on that, but like don't focus too hard. You gotta have some type of balance. Balance it all out. Make sure you got enough money for your investing and what you got going on, so you won't lose nothing. You feel me? I don't want to be the reason you lose nothing. Just take care. Make sure your priorities straight. But also, make sure if you're gonna be doing this, do it safely. You know, think about it first. Think about it first. And listen, don't. I know. Let me tell you, because when I just made the video about the $25,000 credit card, right? Listen, trying to invest and do that, it's like, dang, you trying to hurry up and get this stuff paid off and this debt out the way. So it's like most of your money going towards paying your bills and fixing your finances and stuff, like fixing your bills and stuff. You ain't really got enough money to invest. Like, don't think like that. But it's like, think about building your future and not about the past. Cause that debt happened in the past, like you trying to pay it off. Like you gonna pay it off, gang. But don't stress about it. That's what I'm trying to get to. Don't stress about it. So what I did was I'm balancing it out. I'm splitting. I'm putting most of the money there, but I'm starting small over here though. And I also put a chunk of money over this side while I could still, feel me, balance out over there. I know everybody may not be able to do this, but hey, listen, start off with $10. I'm begging you today to start off with $10. If you got $10, leave a comment down below and say you starting today. Or you gonna start. You really wanna start. You wanna get into this type of investing and stuff like that. So listen. And let me tell you why. You should start today and not wait until everything is perfect. If you wait till everything perfect, you gotta think about it. There's always another bill that's gonna come up. Every time. You gotta think, every month a bill is gonna come. So it's like you may be getting caught up on one thing, but you gotta sacrifice something else. It's another bill coming up as well. So it's like this life shit is kind of crazy. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, but it's like we could do it. You feel me? And also, starting small beats not starting at all. You feel me? You get what I'm saying? That's why everybody say start small. You gotta start somewhere. You gotta start somewhere. Stop making excuses about these bills. So don't let these bills run your life. Cause if we allow that, we'll never get nowhere. So don't wait for the perfect timing. Just start small. Be consistent. Eventually, you will start putting more into there, and it'll be history after that. Basically, you'll have a portfolio built. You can add on to your portfolio. You never know. These folks, you gotta think, the folks who are already doing it, they started off somewhere. And it's like they also learning about this stuff. So don't sell yourself short by not starting at all. And if you serious about starting, subscribe, man. Make sure you leave a comment down below as well. Like the video. Comment down below. I'm not selling myself short this year. Comment that down below. And I appreciate y'all if you stayed to the end of the video. I hope that I provided some type of what you should do type of game. You feel me? And I was supposed to say how I'm invested. I told y'all a little bit, but I also wanted y'all to know like what y'all should do so y'all won't like make the mistakes and stuff that I did. Cause I know I felt some type of ways that I was saying, like feel like I was doing my bills more. Feel like my bills was taking over my life. You feel me? So and I ain't gonna lie, I missed out on a couple moves, but I keep trying to wait till it's perfect. And it's like you just get to a point. It's like, dang, you was thinking about doing it, but you didn't do it because your mind was on your bills, and you was more worried about your bills. See, people think stocks and ETFs are scary, but you gotta think. I promise you, it's a safer route. It is a safe route to it. Matter of fact, let me put it like that. It's a safe route to it. It's not just a risky route. The route I'm telling you guys that I'm doing and that you should do is start off with the safe route. But I'm out. Enough of the yapping, man. I'm out.